Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross, a bold new direction for one of the most trusted names in automotive history. Known for its legendary reliability and efficiency, the Yaris name now expands into the growing crossover market, blending practicality with surprising capability. This new model combines Toyota's time-tested engineering with the versatility of a subcompact SUV, making it ideal for urban drivers, small families, and adventurous weekend warriors alike. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver, a dependable city companion, or a uniquely styled compact crossover that turns heads, the 2026 Yaris Cross delivers a compelling package that's hard to ignore. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross strikes a unique balance between rugged durability and urban sophistication. Toyota has reimagined the Yaris with elevated ground clearance, bold character lines, and a redesigned grille that's both aggressive and aerodynamic. Flanked by sleek LED headlights and accented by black cladding around the wheel arches, this crossover demands attention, whether it's navigating city streets or heading out on a weekend escape. A thoughtfully sculpted rear hatch and roof spoiler add to its sporty appeal without compromising cargo space or efficiency. The rear of the Yaris Cross continues this design language, with sharp LED taillights and a wide-opening tailgate making loading and unloading gear, groceries, or luggage seamless and efficient. The attention to detail ensures this compact SUV looks as capable as it performs. Interior design. Step inside the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross and you'll find a surprisingly refined and functional interior. Toyota has taken care to blend comfort with practicality, using durable yet upscale materials throughout the cabin. Soft-touch surfaces, intuitive control layouts, and an available leather-wrapped steering wheel all contribute to a premium feel. Despite being a subcompact SUV, the Yaris Cross offers generous headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. Flexible seating and a split-folding rear bench ensure versatility for cargo and passenger needs. Technology is front and center, highlighted by a crisp 102-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and an available premium audio system add to the modern feel, keeping drivers connected and entertained wherever they go. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Yaris Cross comes equipped with Toyota's efficient 2-liter 4-cylinder engine tuned to deliver a great balance of fuel economy and responsive power. Generating around 169 horsepower and paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) or an optional 6-speed manual for enthusiasts, this engine is ideal for daily commutes and spirited weekend drives. An available hybrid powertrain offers even better mileage, giving eco-conscious buyers a smarter alternative without sacrificing utility. The suspension has been specially tuned for nimble handling while maintaining Toyota's trademarked smooth ride. Whether you're navigating tight city corners or cruising down a winding back road, the Yaris Cross delivers a composed and confident driving experience. Safety is a key highlight of the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross, and Toyota has equipped it with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, and road sign assist. These systems work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of accidents, making the Yaris Cross one of the safest vehicles in its class. In addition to active safety tech, the Yaris Cross's reinforced structure incorporates high-strength steel and strategically placed crumple zones to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Multiple airbags and stability control systems round out this impressive safety package, offering peace of mind no matter where the road takes you. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross is set to be one of the most affordable and value-packed crossovers on the market. The base model starts at a highly competitive price point, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Even the entry-level trim comes generously equipped with modern features, including Toyota Safety Sense, a large infotainment screen, and smartphone connectivity. As you move up the trim ladder, you gain access to premium upgrades like alloy wheels, sport appearance packages, and more advanced tech features, all while staying within a reasonable budget. Another major strength of the 2026 Yaris Cross is its wide range of customization options. Buyers can tailor their SUV to suit their exact needs with available accessories like roof racks, cargo organizers, bike mounts, and interior tech enhancements. Toyota also offers appearance packages that include unique badging, color-accented trim, and available all-wheel drive for those seeking both function and flair. Toyota's continued commitment to sustainability shines through with the available hybrid powertrain in the 2026 Yaris Cross. This system not only improves fuel economy, expected to deliver over 40 mpg combined, but also reduces emissions without compromising on performance. The regenerative braking system, automatic start-stop function, and eco-driving modes all work together to enhance efficiency and reduce environmental impact. For eco-conscious drivers who still need versatility and style, the Yaris Cross Hybrid is a forward-thinking solution that aligns with modern environmental values. In conclusion, the 2026 Yaris Cross represents an exciting evolution in Toyota's lineup, offering a perfect blend of reliability, efficiency, and urban versatility. Whether you're a city dweller looking for maneuverability and efficiency, a small family in need of flexible space, or someone seeking a compact SUV with personality, the Yaris Cross is ready to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Yaris Cross and want more insights on the latest cars and crossovers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Be sure to check out your local Toyota dealership to see the Yaris Cross in person. Take it for a test drive and discover why this bold new model is making waves in the compact SUV world. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.